This time, I want to share with you about how to share presentations on Google Meet, without our faces being hidden when activating the presentation file. Before continuing, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment on this channel to ensure that you will get the latest videos from me. When making presentations online via Google Meet, it will be difficult for us to see or know our faces or the faces of other participants, because they are covered by the presentation file that we are presenting. So whether our internet connection is still running smoothly or not, or whether we are still connected to the internet or not, cannot be monitored. This is because the entire screen of our computer or laptop is completely covered with the appearance of the presentation that we are presenting. Thus, sometimes we don't realize that the internet connection has suddenly died, or suddenly our voices cannot be heard by other participants because we are muted. For this reason, special steps are needed so that this problem does not reappear, and I will show you a trick to get it here. The first step, before joining Google Meet, first open the presentation file that will be shared on Google Meet. For example, we have a PowerPoint file. Open the file, then select Reading View, whose menu is on the taskbar at the bottom of the PowerPoint screen we are currently opening. The second step, enter or join Google Meet via the link we have received. The third step, when we are asked to be a presenter, click the Present Now button, then select a window. The fourth step, select or place the cursor in the area of the window screen, where there is an actively open presentation file. The fifth step, return to the PowerPoint program. Because the PPT display still completely covers the entire computer or laptop screen, we can click on the Restore Down menu in the upper right corner, so we can share the screen with the Google Meet screen. Then, to start the presentation, you can do it by shifting the presentation slide from one page to the next, either by pressing the Enter key or the arrow on the keyboard of our computer or laptop. The sixth or final step, if the presentation sharing is complete, we can return to the Google Meet screen and then click the Stop Sharing button to end or close the presentation slide. Good luck!